What's going on, guys? Man. Whew. Y'all see what's going on. If you don't know, y'all sure finna find out in this video. Yo, what's up, guys? So on the last clip that y'all seen the dash was not this color. Changed the dash, yes, and I'm over there getting the carpet ready. Gonna do something to the carpet. Yup. Which I know classic weekend, 2 weekends. So classic weekend, we're gonna have that bit out there sliding, boy. Yes, we're gonna be out there. Oh yeah. And I think in the last video I might have mentioned we got something coming. So if y'all look right there, bam, games is on the way. Y'all check right here. We got a busy. You throw that busy in there one more time. Yeah, we gonna be busy though. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got some projects going on. I'm just about to get in the groove and the swing of it. Let y'all know. I ain't really been recording much. I did the radiator in this after the hood. I ain't show y'all. I should have showed y'all, but I ain't do a video on that. You know, everybody know how a radiator is. Man, true story. First time I ever changed a radiator. Shout out to my boy Super, Robert, you know, Bobby. Hey, everybody know who that is, Superman, yes sir. Hey, he had a little Honda, bro, man. First radiator I ever changed. I didn't even really have a tool set for real though. But we got that thing in and out in like 30 minutes, bro gave me like I think, he didn't give me no bread for it. My boy gave me like an eighth and a beer. I think we had drank a beer and smoked, you know what I'm saying, just rolled up or whatever, but man, it was some good times though. But yeah, we got everything ready. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm not joking. I'm not playing. Look, go ahead and show y'all. Boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh. Yeah, we not playing. I got door handles for days, y'all. So yeah, we got something going right here. Big project going on, man. I'm telling y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, share this. Throw the comments down there, man. What y'all want to see me work on first? Y'all want to see the Foxy project? Y'all want to see the bike that I'm gonna do for my wife? Or y'all want to see me work on the doll / treehouse over there for biscuit block? What, man? I can't even hear you. But yeah, let me know. Drop down in the comments. Tell me what y'all want. What y'all want to see. Y'all want to see what's going on in here? Y'all want to see that? Y'all want to see that? Let me know though. I'm gonna cut this clip off and get back to work, guys. Stay tuned, man. Y'all see what I got that vacuum going over there? You already know. Finna try some things. Yes, sir. Finna try some things. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. I might do a little time lapse. I don't know. It might be kind of boring. Y'all just gonna see me go over there. Just detailing, getting all this up out of here. Y'all know classic weekend in 2 weeks, boy. Hey, finna have this thing out there, boy. I'm telling y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a shipment coming in today. Big package. Y'all see this? Oh yeah, y'all see that space right there? Yes. It's here, guys. It's off the boat, it's here. So y'all know we about to get them games. Little shawty out there. And just like that. Well, I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Woo. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. There, she's jumping on the tramp. I'm out here working on this. This gonna be the next little series I do. I got some pimp shit I'm finna do to this. So, well, I don't know if it's gonna be the next, but it's gonna be a part of it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that next. If you can see, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do the Foxy next. I might do these in combination, you know. Yeah, we getting shit done today, guys. Nice little cool day, Florida. Do it again, let me see. Yeet! Yeah, man, but I got that dash painted. I'm gonna do another coat. Then I'm gonna hit this down here too. I can be real with all of y'all. After that last clip, y'all seen that I was getting it vacuumed out. I got it out of the car, and we about to try something, you know. We finna go ahead and get this thing fully black, because I want the black carpet to go with the dash and everything, and the seats, you know. The seats that's in it right now, we're gonna change them down the line, but they are gonna be probably black with a little color to them. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this painted. I'm probably gonna put like a little time lapse up so y'all can see. Just, you know, have something to go along with the video. But man, I'm so excited, bro. Classic weekend, we're gonna be sliding. Yes sir, y'all gonna catch us in the Mustang slide. Y'all pull up if y'all in Orlando, say what's up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be out there with the camera, so check me out, man. You know, if y'all like it, say what's up. Y'all want to get some work done, hit me up, let me know. If not, you know, just drop down in the comments. Like I said, man, share this video, like this video. And like I said before, man, we got this project coming up, and we got that project coming up, and that project coming up. So I don't know, I might not record that, but we got a lot of stuff going on, man. We busy. We're gonna be busy out here. So stay tuned. Hit the comments, hit the subscribe, follow up, share it, and let me know what y'all think. Now, honestly, I probably should have not vacuumed because I vacuumed it, but I probably should have shampooed it before I dye it. But the way I'm thinking is, I dye it, let the dye settle, then I come back, condition the carpet, and you know, whoopty wop. So if y'all like wondering why it's like hella stain, like y'all ain't gonna be able to see that shit, I promise you. So yeah, I'm finna cut y'all back onto another time lapse and go ahead and get this, you know, completely coated. Let's go.
Yeah, Hefner. Yeah, she like, where you at? I'm in a trap, baby. Why is that? Cause I'm a trap, baby. Where you at? I'm in a trap, baby. Why is that? Cause I'm a trap, baby. Where you at? I'm in a trap, baby. Why is that? Cause I'm a trap, baby. Where you at? I'm in a trap, baby. Why is that? Cause I'm a trap, baby. Monkey, serving all the baby. Rap game easy with a dope gang gravy. Ask me where I'm at, yeah, I'm in the trap, baby.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick comparison. So this is one coat, looking pretty good. I like it, man. This stuff is pretty fire. One coat right there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with another time lapse for this other side, cause you know I be in the trap, baby. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this finished. Trap black, and we back. Yeah man, so it did pretty good, you know, for the first coat. Not too bad, not too shabby. I'm gonna hit it with a brush real quick, brush the hairs different ways, you know, kind of get it to mix up a little bit. Then come back through with the second can, man, you know, that vinyl and fabric. Specialty coating, bro. This is what y'all need. Don't try to come through here with no Rust-Oleum, y'all gonna have some crunchy carpet. So, if y'all know anything, man, do it the right way so you don't have to have no headache in the end. I'm telling you, I probably got a little bit more up in there. Let's see. Let's see if we got any more up in there. Oh no, she out. She out. She out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this other can. We'll get this sprayed up, finish getting this coated with the first can, first coating, first layer. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'm in the trap, baby. He trap usually move and it slow down lately. I'm booming, I'm bunking. Bust his head just like a pumpkin. Made a play right out with South Lumpkin. Used to be nothing, now something. Had to flip a QP into a whole pound. 12 cone niggas get the same pronouns. I don't talk.
After you hit it with that carpet rake, you see that? That carpet rake. Then we're gonna go back in for another coat. So y'all can see. It's not crunchy, nice and soft. I'm finna get that. Gonna get that thing good, man. Get it real good. Let's go. Boom. So we getting some good coverage, man. Hey, if you want that thing done right, you gotta do it like this. I'm talking about bending them backwards, forwards, sideways, inside ways. We getting all the way down to the nigga gritty. All that. I want it black. Black. I want it black. So I'm throwing LEDs in here, so when the LEDs hit the carpet, I don't want it to look foo-foo. So I've been raking, flipping. And like I'm telling y'all, man. Still soft. Still soft, no crunchy. Fuck with it, man. Get that vinyl and fabric spray. Not no regular spray paint. Get the carpet out and get it black, man. Get all them stains up out. It's a 20-year-old carpet. All them stains gonna be out. It's gonna be looking crispy black. So, good. I got this last little coat that I'm about to do. This is gonna be the final coat, I'm pretty sure. Final coat right here. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. As y'all can see, we got the carpet all the way done. It's black. It's about to go back in. And yeah, I got caught by the rain, so I pulled the car in real fast so I can throw it in. I ain't gonna show y'all in this video. In the next video, y'all gonna see this baby put together. Door panels. Door panel over there. Boom. Going in there. Boom. But yeah, man, other than that, man, I'm just about to go ahead and cut this video off. Finna go edit it. You know what I'm saying? And like I was saying, man, all video, like, comment, subscribe, share. Subscribe.
In a trap, baby. Why is that? 'Cause I'm a trap, baby.